Hey, Real Talk Rainicorns! It is Ellie, and today I'm going to be putting some fairy lights up there. Of course, the train comes. And I'm going to be putting some fairy lights up here where I put my wallpaper. Ooh. Okay, so first I'm going to show you guys what kind I got. My mom just ordered some from, I think she got these from Target. It's Threshold, and they're LED lights. So they're not like the regular Christmas lights per se. They look like this. So they're like this. Who did that? I think my son got to it. I gotta re-ravel this up. Anyway. So just use this little battery pack. Turn it on. Then boop. Fairy lights. Okay, so first I'm gonna put some thumbtacks up around the ceiling. How many will I need? I don't know how many. I'll put them like where each wallpaper thingy ends. That's where I'm gonna put a thumbtack. So that's, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2. I kind of just poured a few out, so it's a little more than 7, but that's good. I have this broken ruler because my son broke it earlier, and I'm gonna put them down 2.5 inches. So he broke it right at the 7.5 inch mark. So I'm just gonna go down to 8 and 9. So then that'll be 2.5 inches. So here we go. Ooh, it ain't going on the wall. Come on, you know you want to go on the wall for me. For me. I am not about to hammer these in the wall. That's going to be so much. And then, what if I hammer it wrong? Like, then it's bent. Then that defeats the man. No. These are going to go in. Come on. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. Ugh. See, they should be good. They're right at the tip part, but like they're fairy lights, so it's not like I'm putting some heavy stuff up here. Okay. Ugh. Oh, it came out. Okay. I do not want to use a hammer for this, man. Okay. No, it should be good. It should be good. My phone, who that? I'll see who that is later. Okay. Okay. We getting somewhere. I don't know where we're getting to, but we getting somewhere. Okay, let me see if I can do these. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, and I don't want y'all to just be looking at me embarrass myself. Okay, so I'm at the last one now, and a cool thing is, so I didn't use a hammer because I was afraid I'd break the thumbtacks or like bend them the wrong way. So what I discovered is that I can lightly tap the thumbtacks with a mug. There you go. And it's worked out fine this entire time. I had one tack left over. I'm gonna keep it out just in case so you can see exactly what happens. So here we go. I will be operating my lights from that side. My son's crib is right here, and I don't want him to have access to the on-off button. So this is going to be where it ends over here. So I'll be putting the battery pack over there. Your skin ain't better than my sin. Your skin ain't better than my skin. Oh, he killed that part. Okay. I'm gonna have to, for this, I'm gonna have to twist that around. Yeah, we doing it. That's what I'll do. I'll just twist all of them around. So what I'm doing is I'm just going, twisting them around each tack just to secure them. I didn't want them to like lay on the tacks, but as heavy as that battery pack is, I don't think that's going to be possible. It was already tugging on it. So this looks fine. It's just like twisting around each one. Oh, okay. So we didn't make it all the way to the end, but that's cool. That's cool with me. So, oh wait, that looks kind of weird. Let me see. Where did I put that other thumbtack? Oh, there it goes. Okay. Let me stand. It's okay. So what I might have to do is just shift it over a little bit. Hey, Real Talk Unicorns. So this is part 2, the unintended part 2 of me putting up my fairy lights. And so I shifted the lights over a little bit. So it should go all the way across the wallpaper now. There we go. So we made it across the whole wall where the wallpaper is. And now, actually I'll turn it on. Let me see about this though. I'm going to twist this battery pack up so it's not just hanging, dangling like that. And twist this around this nail that I have on my wall. Alright. And those are my fairy lights, you guys. Alright. This is going to be one short clip. This is an accident. I might. I really don't like editing my videos, but I did mess up. And I don't want you guys just to come back to see a tiny clip. But here are my lights. I'm going to turn off my big light so you guys can see. Okay, so that's what it's like with just my lamp on. Like this. And I'm going to turn my lamp off. And it looked like that. Yeah. Super cute. I really like it. I'm going to do a close-up real quick. So, looks like this. Close-up. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really do hope I go back and edit this. I should. I definitely should. But if I don't, and this is part 2, then hey, what's up? So yeah, you guys have a great day and talk to you later, unicorns. Bye. Be blessed.